Another way to make old windows like this more efficient is to install storm windows like this homeowner's done. Now there's several different advantages here. First of all, they're fairly inexpensive. They also create that air cushion between the inside and the outside to protect you from the elements. And also it reduces the amount of maintenance that you have to do on wood windows because again, it protects the window and the surface of the window from the elements. So that's a big advantage. But if the budget will allow, there's nothing better than replacing the windows. Good replacement windows like these won't allow as much heat or cold to transfer through them because they use insulated glass and they're tightly built, so there are no air leaks. These Sash Pack replacement units from Geldwin make installation very easy because you don't have to remove the original frame of a double hung window. The old inefficient sashes are cut in two so that they can be removed without breaking the glass, and then the old window tracks or balances are removed. A new balance will lock into these metal clips before the new sash is snapped in place. These insulated glass sashes are custom made for this opening so the fit is exact and airtight. These homeowners should definitely realize some energy savings with these new, more efficient units. And also, they'll love the maintenance-free aspect of it because they're all covered with cladding. Hey, we're looking at all kinds of ways to get some immediate energy savings, and that's something homeowners always have questions about.